So as I had stated, I will be going to full interior, and I had to get a few things done before I do that. I already painted a few of the edges that were showing a few rust, just to avoid rotting out, the one that happened below. New carpet. I will be working on getting these installed. See if I can get them sealed. I will be using this sealant. I could not find what the OEM used. It was, well, mine were pretty old, so it was some sort of cream colored sealant. I never found out what it was, so I'll be using this and getting into all the edges just in case there's a few dents in the floor pan. Don't want those leaking before I get into installing the whole interior. Apparently I am missing one. I thought I had them all, but I am missing one. I can't find it. I'll be going back to these ones. This is an OEM plug. I'll just use a little bit of silicone and hope for the best. If I do find one, or if I can get one before I install a carpet, I'll remove it and reinstall the correct one. So this is how it ended up. It's not pretty, but it's functional. I don't need it to be pretty. I need it to seal and avoid any water spots inside the car, so there's no rust or any other issues when I install the Dynamat and the new carpet. So remember, all of these dark spots are gonna be under the carpet, so they're not gonna be seen, so it doesn't really matter. Let's move on to installing the Dynamat.